Hello everybody, this is a Eura Mobil car from Germany, and it's on a Fiat base. As you can see, it has a length about 6 meter 30. It has a height about 3 meters 10, can take 3.5 tons, and is around 2 meters 25 wide. Here you can see the inside. Yeah, here's the place where you can eat, sit around, and here also, and there behind you see the kitchen. Yeah, so you see a lot of space in this car. Yeah, so I will show you more around all the car, so you can see here the place where you drive with a camera which looks for also behind, and here you can see the big place to sit and to have a look around. Yeah, if I go around the car, you can see there's a lot of space. There's also solar panels on the top. You can see it from behind and also from here. And here's the step. You can take it and go inside. So now we are going inside the car itself. Yeah, first we are starting when we're coming in a wonderful kitchen. Yeah, here you can cook. Yeah, free gas. Here a very big to take water out, here for bubbles and things. Here you can see storage. This is the place for the Electrolux fridge. Yeah, I will have to show you also around how it is big. Yeah, and here it has, you can see from the brand Electro. Yeah, from the brand Electrolux. I will show you later how it goes open. Yeah, now I think like this. You see ice here and a lot of space. Here you have for sure also a lot of space to put things on. Yeah. Also here in the entrance you have also loads of space and things to put inside. Here is the control panel for the tanks and for the Truma for the heating. Here is another Heki window, and here you can see there's a really big place to eat around. Yeah, also downstairs is a place you can store things. Yeah, here also the very, what is really impressing, the space you have here inside. Yeah, you can see the big Heki also, and loads of space. Yeah, to sit around, to eat. Yeah, here you can see also the alcoven with 2 windows. You can sleep easily 2 persons inside, or a child also. And here loads of space in this. It's, I think, a round wonder. Yeah, because here you see here another person can sleep or just, let's say, chill. If I sit down here, for example, you can see everything very nice. Yeah, it's illuminated and it's very beautiful, really very beautiful to sit. And here also then to look outside. Yeah, here's the curtain you can put to close it, but it has a very nice very nice outlook, let's say. I think, yeah, you can see around, sit here, drink a coffee, and it's very beautiful because it gives you a lot of space. Yeah, a lot of space, really. And this is, I think, really special in this motorhome. And after here, this kitchen I've showed you already around, yeah, with this loads of big space. Yeah. Here, what you can also appreciate is the toilet. Yeah. Here's the toilet, and very big. Yeah, let's say for the hands. And here you see also you have the shower. Yeah. Here it looks very good, yeah, for 1 person. I think it's very perfect to shower. It's like at home, yeah. And here you can appreciate also the complete toilet. And you see you can the toilet and the shower are separated, so you have a really enough of space, huh? I can go here inside, you see the shower, you can close up the shower without any problems, and you're really okay in this mobile home. Also the space and the Eura Mobil is very nice. It is also winter. There's a double let's say double floor to store things and to be ready for the winter. Yeah, and for sure you have enough lights and you can shower, clean up. But it looks like a very nice apartment. It don't look like I would say too much like like a motorhome. I think it's very nice.